What? What? What?
Smile then.
What?
Your dad always has got this camera face. Have you noticed it before?
Mm-hmm.
He loves it. He loves it so much.
Mm-hmm.
I brought my own camera. I'm gonna take lots of pictures of you. You love the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But you say you know photogenic.
I think so, yeah.
Please, you know. A break 'em.
I know where this thing coming from. Your dad has got exactly the same angle of the head.
What's that, a fish?
That's what happened when I picked my nose.
What happens?
No.
He's so proud of himself.
Mm-hmm.
I know where is it coming from. What you were doing today?
How's a pig go? Go on, how does a pig go? How does a mouse go? A horse?
But why? You already know these kind of things.
Yeah, I know, but we're not.
Tell me.
Go on, how's a horse go? A horse goes, nay.
No.
How's a horse go then? And what?
Niga.
Huh?
Nigaha.
Ni ha ha.
Nigaha.
How's a. Oh, what was the other one? How's a mouse go? A cat?
Meow.
Dog?
Whoa, whoa.
Cow?
Oh yeah, they do that.
How's a sheep go?
I don't know. What a sheep does. Yeah, that is the same, yeah.
Not the same?
Yeah.
Bah.
Hmm?
Bah.
No.
I don't know. How's a chicken go?
Chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Beep, beep, beep. What the dog does? Oh, yeah, yeah. Cocks do that as well, yeah.
Who? Where does a cockerel go?
Hmm?
Where does a cockerel go?
How?
How does a cockerel go?
Just what you done.
No, that was a chicken.
No, it wasn't a chicken.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
The,
Yeah.
the cockerel that sits there, he goes,
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Similar, yeah.
why do you think I used to be on Old MacDonald made at the farm?
Why?
Because you do all the noises.
As
I could do that. I could do that.
you're completely wrong. How's a donkey go?
Donkey.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
But you can't just copy my dad, whatever he says.
No, it's true that I agree with that one.
Yeah.
Just a couple of them I agree.
So how's a horse go, Dad?
Mm.
See, it's really close to Nihaha.
That's not a knee-ha-ha.
It's really close to Nihaha.
It's not a knee-ha-ha.
But
They go nay.
they don't go like that.
They do, they go nay.
No.
Nay.
Can you imagine their head is like, they do that.
They don't go knee-ha-ha-ha-ha.
I need to take him to Hungary to meet with real animals.
To meet what?
Real animals.
Real animals.
You can get a mouse goes tins, 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 tins,
Not
tins.
tins. Tin, 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 tin.
Tin, 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 tin. They go squeak, 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 squeak.
Tin, 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 tin.
Squeak, squeak.
How does a bee go?
Bee.
What about a wasp? Splat.
Splat.
Splat. Wasps are evil. They're evil creatures.
Ducks.
Oh yeah, that was another one.
Ducks.
What? Duck?
No, don't tell her how a duck
No,
goes.
I asked Dad.
Go on then. Go on then.
What?
Ducks.
Ducks?
Yeah. How does a duck go?
Quack, 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 quack.
See, close.
No, it's not. I told you quack quack.
No, but you does it in a totally different way than
Quack
you.
quack quack quack. It's quack quack.
It's hop, 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 hop.
It's not half 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 half.
Hop, hop,
I know. I don't get this.
hop, 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 hop. Uh-huh.
No, that's pumping up, that is. That's when
No,
he's
hop, hop,
farting.
hop, hop,
Yeah.
hop, 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 hop.
They don't go half 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 half
Hop,
half.
hop, 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 hop.
You got the wrong ducks.
That was the
Lovely
donkey.
there.
That's a monkey.
Donkey.
Oh, donkey. How does a monkey go? No
You should know
noise.
that.
No noise.
I need to go.
Was that a monkey that's lost its voice?
That would be too loud. Yeah, but not like that. Yeah, but you know, I would do it in a different way. It would be too loud. I need to control myself.
Let the monkey out.
How does a wolf go?
Wolf.
Oh. What about a fox?
Oh, but I don't know what a fox does.
Wow.
But it's a dog.
No. Wow. That's what they do.
It's a bark.
They do. They go. Wow. It's like a weird meow bark. It's like a wow.
I don't know, because in Hungary they are really sneaky. They want to steal the chickens.
Sneaky foxes. That's what they are. Sneaky little foxes. What? What? Fag again?
What do you mean again?
Again already?
Half an hour without a